It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's your son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, I want to talk about this young man right here. You understand? He is an upcoming gang leader in St. Lucia. He's in jail and he's making a lot of stuff happen. Now, let me explain to you guys who I am. My name is Countryman. And also remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like this content. I would like to say I'm an expert in Caribbean gang affairs, huh? I don't know who gave me that title, but I've known to hunt down some of the most baddest gangster in a different island. Well, now I'm telling you about a young gang leader who goes by the name of Peterson, but they call him Phanter, aka Phanter. He's from a place in St. Lucia called Bernard Hill, and that is on Pun Block. Okay? You know who is Pun? Now let me clear up something. Me keep on a call a brother there Pun, but I really Pun. So Punhead Bomba Clark. Alright. Now you see Punhead, me I call him Punhead. The whole of them come from the same block. Bernard Hill, Conway. Now, you see Punhead, him have a baby mother that Danny Catt used to talk to. And Punhead, that's iron pussy man right now. Him put a hit on Catt and him ask Peterson, which is Phanter, to do it. And Phanter say he's not getting involved with that shit. So what Peterson do? Him tell Danny Catt, which at the time Danny Catt, him did in the slums. Him a run down the so. So Danny Catt called Pan, and me I go say, Pan head, and make him know say, yo, I got your message, pussy. And that's when the problem start between Peterson, Panhead, and Danny Catt on the whole entire block. Now as we move, the war kinda start with them, man. So Panhead, me hear say him call from jail and put a hit on Peterson, Black Panther. Yo, the boy them also weird ass but buckler name. You understand? So now Peterson take away himself from the slum. Me I go into the story, you know, and from there so him start hang with Marvin, Baboon King, Gabriel Burnett, and start take money for the works. You understand? The thing that get real hectic with Marvin, Burnhead, Monkey, Baboon King, Burnhead, and Peterson. Cause the man them scrub out a ex-police. You understand? And the man them also them slap where the youth when name Sham Peter, aka Papa. You understand? So the thing get turned up, you understand, with the man them. So now Danny Catt step to Peterson and tell him, say, yo, stop following Monkey King. You understand? Burn it. And from this up, appear problem. The graveyard man them and the slum man them appear shooting. So after years of bullshit, the state finally bring them on a charge of murder. Then bring Peterson, Danny Catt, and a boy named Jimmy Butcher. You understand? Now we are gonna fast forward this thing. So years pass now, so Peterson decide to do his own thing. So this youth Peterson have mad influence on the outside. You understand? Enough man him have out there, him said them go rob. And unfortunately, kill people for stuff, you know, ganja and drugs and baby powder. And him take enough hitman work. Now, what is kinda worrisome about Peterson, dog? He is an upcoming young leader and him is a member of the 6 gang. You understand? Now, not only that, you see this youth here, Phanter, Peterson. I have heard that him have long reach because he already use a Trinidadian. You understand? And send the Trinidadian on a work to go Dominica Republic and kill somebody for a Dominican Republic boss. You understand? And me hear say that video are circulate on the internet. So the youth Peterson, him have family and them thing they are Trinidad and him have link outside of St. Lucia. Now you have a weird dynamics going on. You understand? Because everybody know Boosie. He's a 7. He's repping 7 and he's in jail. And Peterson is repping 6. He is a 6 dan and Boosie is a 7 dan. And me hear through the grapevine say they are families. You understand? But because of the numbers thing, so it's like the numbers thing I reach St. Lucia, you know. And that not good. That is definitely not good. Me I wonder if the man them understand what the hell they are doing, you know. Now, as we move along, me I go show you some of Phanter, Peterson, Hitman friend them. Now, you see this youth right here, so? Him name Viklan. And you see Viklan, them say Peterson make him kill a Vinci man and take all I'm ash and take all I'm weed. That's Viklan right there, so. Now, you have another one named, yo, pardon the pronunciation, I don't mean give them name. The one you name Bolo. You understand? And you see him, me here say him dash way 2 Frenchmen and take their money. And unfortunately, Peterson was the mastermind behind it. Now, last but not least, here is Nevan, and him work with Peterson on the Frenchman them thing. One touch on a bottom feeder. Them call him Bolo, Vasking, Yannick. Now, him and Peterson used to link up, but now them a war. You understand? So, Vasking youth them and Peterson youth them a war. But I want to tell you something, I want to talk about that pussy here. Vasking for a little bit. Now, him only have strength for poor people and people who's less fortunate, because a video was circulating around on the internet when a man box out him gold teeth on the water, pussy, and the man shoot up the boat with him and him family. It was on the news and him not do nothing. That man they named Marlon, that man is still around. The man named Marlon or Marvin, me can't remember fully. But the man is still around. The video was circulating and you can Google it. Now, his brother, Vasking Bolo or him one name, Toilet Bowl. I call him Toilet Bowl. Toilet Bowl, brother get killed Independence Day. Voice note going around. And him know who do it. Has Toilet Bowl did anything about it? No. Cause him afraid of monsters like himself. Him is a big bottom feeder. A bottom feeder toilet bowl. You understand? One of the worst kind. Yo, me look on him picture and him just look like a fucking weasel. Now, me I round it up before me leave. And I want to show you something. Remember Miss Germs? Iron cunt, like the man them say. Me say iron pussy, but the man them say iron cunt. Now, she there with Pan. She's with Pan, you know. And right now, she have certain links with politicians. So, she is definitely gonna work her magic. So, guys like Peterson and other youth them that doesn't conform to their ideology or their rules of norms or whatever. You understand? And I still not do VR video yet, you know. But VR video is coming. Her video is coming over my dead body, yo. So, one more thing. Pan, remember you send out this youth. I made the man them kill him and see how you take him bike. See the youth, yeah? The youth in the green. I him that. So, yeah, this video kinda explain some of the dynamics of what went on and what is transpiring as we speak. You see the power struggle. You see the murder. You see all sort of things. So, I am just putting it together. Believe me, and true, me could have spent my time on the other things. You understand? But me I take my time to highlight some dangerous people, some corrupt people in St. Lucia. And not only St. Lucia, Jamaica, me have to say Jamaica, Trinidad, other places. You understand? And that's what I am about. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. and click on another video. I'm out.